Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ashwini Shivsat. I am a consultant pediatrician and neonatologist. Most common complaint in children is usually fever. What is fever? Normal body temperature is between 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius. That is 97.7 to 99.5 degree Fahrenheit. Any temperature more than this is considered as a fever. Is it a friend or a foe? Fever is a sort of defense mechanism against various types of insult such as infection, dehydration and many more. A high body temperature is beneficial in two ways. Firstly, the raised temperature helps in controlling the disease process. Secondly, it is important sign which tell us something is wrong in the body and we need to look for the cause. Fever is neither a friend nor a foe, rather it's a messenger that tells you all is not well in the body. How to check for fever? Touching body is a crude and unreliable method. Hence, digital thermometer is best for taking the temperature. The axillary, that is armpit region method, is fairly precise and most commonly used in children. What not to do in fever? Do not overdose the child. Wear loose clothes. Do not sponge with cold water or ice. Do not keep treating fever at home by yourself. Consult pediatrician as earliest. What should be the diet during fever? The discomfort and muscle pain in fever makes child fuzzy and dull. It is important to maintain hydration during fever. Encourage child to take sips of water frequently and small light meals during fever. Complete inability to take orally is an indication to visit your doctor. When should be worried for the fever? If child is lethargic, drowsy, excessively crying and irritable, vomiting everything out or not able to take by mouth. If child have headache, neck stiffness, breathing difficulties, any abnormal movements or abnormal behavior. High-grade fever reaching 104 degree Fahrenheit or fever is persistent for more than 5 days. What are the medications that can be safely used to reduce the fever? Paracetamol in correct dose is a safe medicine to use. Remember, the purpose of fever medicine is to provide symptomatic relief to the child by reducing the pain and discomfort. The raised temperature may take some time to drop to the normal level. Ibuprofen can also be used after consulting your pediatrician. Mefenic acid is not recommended to use in children. Antibiotics to be used only after doctor consultation.